Champions, what's up with you? Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. It is #Vinay's Vision and I'm your personal auxiliary Vinay Pranekar. Tuning up back with another fun video, I must say, because I'm so thankful that you guys are really, acknowledging all my work. You're commenting down and giving me that lovely vibes. I really love you, my champions. You are super duper smart, intelligent, brilliant, and when it comes out to gratitude, you are just fantastic. The way you respond me back with all your flooding comments, I really love it. I must say that I'm so lucky and so, I must say that I'm glad to have you guys because look at my health. I have recovered and I'm so happy right now. Last day, it was like, oh my god, what I was doing. Like I was lying on the bed, then my students came, then I really started working harder. I hustled. Then आपको पता है सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम मेरी लाइफ का ये कि मुझे ना 3-4 चीज साथ में मैनेज करना पड़ता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल माई हेल्थ, second of all my students, third of all you champions, and fourth of all my own studies which last for 4 hours every day. So last night I just slept at 4 o'clock in the morning, where you can see that I've uploaded a video of geography paper presentation, and then after I just tried to upload that history paper solution video which I have failed to upload the last day because I was not well from Friday morning. So I just thought I'll upload it, I'll do it, and you know what the hell my mobile is doing with me is like it's playing prank up with me because every time when I'm trying to upload it, the storage always sucks up, the memory always sucks up, and at final the editing goes wrong, something happens and उसके वजह से video upload नहीं हो पा रहा है बराबर से. But surely I have sorted out the solution. Map का video it will be there within 20 to 25 minutes and every video will be there by before 7 o'clock. I can assure you that. And उसके बाद में मुझे जिम भी जाना है और मुझे सारी चीज 7 बजे के पहले खत्म करना है because at 7 o'clock it's Ramadan month and I'm really excited to look at my friend's house and their preparations and all that stuff. So I'm again telling you guys thank you very much. And second of all, this is an appealing video in which I'm going to ask you and request you. Look at my virtual, look at my physical champions. They have gifted me so much of letters. They have written all that thank you words into it and I really asked them for because I really love reading. I really request you guys, you have been my super crazy champions and now it's your time to send me that letter. Write down in the description, you have got my address. You need to send it. It will just take your thoda sa time, your thoda sa efforts, and that freaking letter will come to me. I do not want it in the form of DM or comment or Gmailing. I really need physical letters which I like to read. I'll preserve it and I'll put some of the best letters in my autobiography when I'll become that famous. Thank you very much, champions. I really hope that you will send me great letters on my address and I'm really looking forward for it, that it will come soon. And I wish you all the very best for all your future vibes. 2 videos I'm going to certainly make by tomorrow. One is for the English classes that we are going to start from next week onwards for sure. And the second video that I'll make is how to shape your career. For that I'm looking forward for a very great interesting video, so it will take time but surely it will be there before you select any career. And for the time being I would like to tell you guys, do not be into the rat race, do not be so die hard mad to go into any of the things like any of the stream कि मैं अभी से JEE कर दूं, मैं अभी से नेट कर दूं, मैं अभी से CS की तैयारी चालू कर दूं, मैं CA की तैयारी चालू कर दूं. Guys, wait, breathe. Oh my god, what a relaxing air I had given to you guys, right? And I had come to your face or did you felt that? Oh my, like yeah. अभी कल ही तो उद्धव ठाकरे ने गोली बाढ़ के दिन मास्क हटाया है, तो इंटरनली रेस्पायर करो, बहुत अच्छे से अपने आप को फ्री करो एंड मेक श्योर करो कि आप पूरा 1-2 महीने चिल आउट कर रहे हो. ऑलराइट, क्या हुआ आपने अगर पूरा साल पढ़ा नहीं था, लास्ट मिनट में पढ़ रहे हो और मैंने तो सर मेहनत ही नहीं किया, मैं क्यों चिल आउट करूं, मैं काम कर देता हूँ, CS और CA की तैयारी करता हूँ, मेरे फैमिली में इसने ये किया है, शर्मा जी के बेटे ने वो किया है तो मुझे भी वो करना है. You are different. You are unique. I am there with you. I'll tell you what is best for you. Alright? You do not have to be in that rat race. आपको पता 9th में आपको एक poem थी Invictus करके. I will choose the road which less have taken, not what everybody else has done it. Alright? I took commerce. I was a die-hard fan of science. I had a vision of becoming a doctor. I really loved and I was really loved by everyone. I was supported by everyone that you are going to become doctor. Whatever happens, I'm going to be there to support you. जब टाइम आया ना, सबने लात मार दिया किसी ने हेल्प नहीं किया. Then I took commerce. How commerce shaped my life, how I shaped my life by taking commerce, and all that stories I'm going to let you know in one of the fantastic video that is going to be superly charged, and it will be on air by next week, I guess. But till that, until we meet, all the best. I'm going to meet you soon right now in the very quick short video after this video. So till we meet, all the best. Like the channel if you have not done it yet, subscribe it, and bye.